So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So this is going to be a really beginner-friendly video. So if you don't have any money to start with, or you don't know what kind of content to come up with, this is going to be the perfect video for you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get started using this method. This is exactly how I got started with YouTube when I had nothing to start with and didn't know exactly where to go or where to begin, because I had no products to sell and I just learned along the way. So if you are a beginner with YouTube, you might know that it definitely is a bit harder now to launch a channel and just start making money with doing this straight away. A while back, you used to be able to just launch a channel, get monetized just like that by clicking a button and start making money with YouTube AdSense. Now you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours of watch time to monetize your channel. Then you got to go through the review process with YouTube. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do this method in this video. So let's say you wanted to start with the fitness niche. As you can see, as an example, we'll work with that. There are several different type of niches that you can actually go through, start with, depending on the interest in what's popular. So let's say your niche is in fitness. Just going to type in fitness. And you see in the YouTube search bar, what that will do is it'll bring up a bunch of these fitness videos. Obviously, but if you really upload these videos, you'll get a copyright strike because these videos aren't copyright free. But if you just go to the top, click on filter, and then over here where it says Creative Commons. I've actually made a similar video on this before that also uses ClickBank, so you can go and check out that video on my channel. So if you just click this filtered video, click on Creative Commons. Creative Commons section is basically a part of YouTube that's copyright free. So you can actually take these videos. So once you just filter to it. So all these videos are copyright free, and these are all about fitness. So if you're starting out, you just go search it up. And just like what I just did in the search for fitness or weight loss or whatever, fat loss, just do a filter through Creative Commons. Okay, so you can use these videos, but actually what you do not want to do is just re-upload these the way that they are, even though they are Creative Commons videos. YouTube has made some changes, and you should be aware and actually go and read their terms of service. It used to be to where you could be able to just upload these Creative Commons just as is, but now everybody, since they were doing it, YouTube has really cracked down on this. So because of that, it doesn't really work anymore. So I'd strongly advise that you make some small edits with an intro, outro, maybe even take a few of these videos and make a compilation with different thumbnail and different description. So you also want to do some keyword research, which I'm going to show you in this video. So, and then also how to download the video. What you want to do is you just want to right click on it and copy the link address. There's plenty of sites that you can use to download YouTube videos. Just do a Google search and choose which one you prefer. I like to use one called ymp4.download.com. So what you just do is you take that link that is copied from that video, that fitness video, and paste it right in here. And then what you could just click go. And you can see here you can have some different options of the format and the size, exactly how you want to download these videos with an MP4. So we're going to want to do the MP4. I'm not going to download this one because it's over about an hour long. But I just wanted to give you an example of how you would do this. Okay, so then what you would do is you download that to your desktop, and then you can come over here to one of these free online video editors. Here's one here called clipchamp.com. This is a very user-friendly, very popular. You just create an account. You can see here that to just get a basic plan, unlimited video exports, 480p exports. You can get started for free. There's no charge to continue with this basic package. If you wanted to upgrade, you can. If you're going to get more into it or on a different level, but it's not necessary. So coming back over to YouTube in the Creative Commons section here in the fitness niche, you can see that how many views that these videos are actually getting. 405,000 views. This was 8 months ago. 27,000 views. So you can see that it's worthwhile to actually go for these for this niche. Obviously, everyone knows it's very popular, and you can even drill down further into diet or weight loss, and it's all related to the same type of niche. So you really have plenty of content yet to work with. So just don't forget to filter by Creative Commons, because if you don't do that and you upload those copyrighted videos, and if you can get a copyright strike from YouTube, and if you get 3 copyright strikes, you can actually get banned from YouTube. So just make sure not to forget to do this. So there's various different types of niches that you can make these compilation channels when creating one in YouTube. And you've probably seen quite a few of these, especially the failed videos. So if we were going to actually go through that, show you an example. Do a search here, failed videos in 2020. And what you're going to want to do, remember to filter through Creative Commons. And still, even through Creative Commons, you can see how many views these videos are getting. 1.8 million 4 months ago, 180,000 views 6 months ago, 192,000. So what they are doing is they're just taking clips, short clips of many of these videos, and they're just editing them and putting them together. So let's say you just stick with the funny fails niche. What you want to do is you're going to want to title your videos differently, just like I was mentioning before, and you're going to want to do some keyword research. So as you would see here, as I'm typing in failed videos, from here on, if you continue to type and just do a space, you can see that these are all very popular titles that are being searched in YouTube every day. You can see failed prank videos in India, failed wedding videos. If you were to type in that, you can see that that's going to be something popular to choose. And then you can even go from there. Now that you got failed wedding videos, you know that's popular. You can see how much further you can take this. Failed wedding proposal, failed wedding ceremony. And once you drill down and you actually go further down with this, failed video proposal compilation. So when you're just starting out on YouTube, you're going to want to go for more of these long-tailed keywords because they're going to have a lot less competition. Some of these bigger channels that I see right here, they got 3.4 million subscribers. They can pretty much just put marriage compilation or something, just a really short keyword, and they could probably be ranked for it on page 1 just as they are here, no problem. So yeah, you're going to want to just continue and actually go for these longer tail keywords. Now there is a couple of Chrome extensions that you can use. Just do a Google search and you can install them free. As you can see up here in this section, I have several. It's called vidIQ. There's another one that's called TubeBuddy that I actually have installed on one of my channels that you can use. And as you can see here, it's going to give you some volume and competition. It's going to give you some top related opportunities that are kind of familiar in this niche that you can actually choose. I also have another one called Keywords Everywhere. You can get quite a bit of keywords to be able to use that you can still rank for. If you can see here, you can actually, this is the the actual keywords that these people's videos that they're making that you can actually take and you can use. You can just copy these right here. This is from vidIQ. You copy these to your clipboard, and then when you upload these videos, you can put these tags in your videos, these keywords in your tags of your videos. It's going to help you rank. You're going to want to choose a similar title, but you're going to want to change it up a little bit so it's not exactly the same, and as well as thumbnails. There's another site you can go over to canva.com. It's free, and you can actually create your thumbnails. It'll automatically have a section where it can have the dimensions automatically for you, and you can just go ahead and just create those thumbnails in there and then upload it to your YouTube channel. So with your new YouTube channel, I would recommend to upload daily, say like once a day, it's going to help with the YouTube algorithm for them to recognize your channel and get ranked higher. Possibly even showing some of your videos in the suggested videos section. And then once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, maybe within 3 months time or less, then you'll be able to get monetized. And so I'm going to be uploading more of these videos very soon. So stay tuned, like the video, subscribe if you don't want to miss any of those future videos, and comment down below if you have any questions or if you're having some success with this, and let me know. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.